how much you scored in your IELTS exam.
My name is Kushi and I've recently got my IELTS result, which was overall score of 7 band with 8 in listening and 7 in reading specifically.
Well, that's a commendable score. Congratulations. How did Harpreet English Classes help you throughout your journey?
It helped me a lot, like MCQ, true, false. These things helped me a lot during my exam, whether it was about time management and all the things.
Well, I agree, and also classes actually work a lot. I believe you use the app, the Harpreet English Classes app as well. How is that a good source of practice for you?
It was a very good source of information to me. Like when I was not present in my class, I can generally go through all the lectures and the passages that sir used to provide us, and the extra things like writing and spelling specifically, which we generally make mistake during an exam. These things help me a lot, especially with the app.
Thank you so much. Congratulations on your result again.